In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to enable the hidden administrator account in Windows 11, step by step. Before you start, make sure you have administrator access and save any open work. Click Start, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If User Account Control appears, select Yes to continue and grant elevated permissions. In the elevated command prompt, type NetUser Administrator/active, yes, and press Enter. You should see the command completed successfully. Then close the command prompt window. To set a password for the administrator account, type NetUser Administrator new password and press Enter, replacing new password with your chosen strong password. Sign out or lock your PC to view the administrator account on the Windows 11 login screen. If you no longer need the account, reopen an elevated command prompt and run NetUser Administrator/active, no to disable it. If you see an error, confirm you ran command prompt as administrator and check your command spelling before trying again. Use the administrator account only when necessary and secure it with a strong, unique password. That's it. You enabled the hidden administrator account in Windows 11. Save this video for reference and follow for more quick tech guides.